This is chess. Chess is an experience. The excitement, the joy, the devastation, the undeniable drive to play again and again. Chess is an experience that's meant to be shared. What if you could experience chess in a completely new way? On a real chessboard with the power of AI at your fingertips. This is ChessUp 2. Take everything you love about playing on chess.com and experience it on a real chessboard. Play a blitz match against a random online opponent. Conquer the bot you've been stuck on for months. Or challenge a friend halfway across the world. ChessUp 2 is always ready and always connected with built-in Wi-Fi. Never miss a move with full piece recognition. And review all your games right on chess.com. ChessUp 2 is more than a chessboard. It's a chess trainer. If you're new to chess, ChessUp will teach you. If you already know how to play, ChessUp will teach you how to really play. With patented AI assistance, you can balance a match between players of any skill level. Or hone your skills against one of the built-in AI coaches. The makers of ChessUp 2 are the same team behind the original ChessUp. The best-selling smart chessboard in the world. So whether you're a beginner who wants to learn and improve while you play, or a chess pro who wants to go deeper into the world of chess, experience ChessUp 2 and level up your game.